Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off this 1979 Land Rover Lightweight that you can see lurking behind me. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine running action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1979 Land Rover Series 3 ex-military lightweight or air portable for a spin. Now showing it's just coming up to 53,000 miles, but I'm going to sort of probably trundle around in this for a few days. So we'll say it's done 54,000 miles. We know this car quite well. We sold it to a retired gentleman in 2020. Unfortunately, it's just come back to us because he's barely used it, and he asked us if we'd buy it back because due to health issues, he's just not been able to drive it. So it's come back to us, but pleased to have it back. It's a lovely example, in my opinion. Really thoroughly sorted, and especially with the Marsland chassis, it's rather good. Anyway, we'll take it out, switch on, ignition light comes up, oil pressure light doesn't, but actually looking at it, it looks like the bulb has fallen out of its holder. Oh, there it is, oil pressure. Let's come back on now. Yeah, and unusually all the instruments work, including the oil temperature light, the oil temperature gauge. Normally they have the oil cooler disconnected, but this one is still connected on here. So the oil temperature gauge is working, as does the fuel gauge, as does the water temperature gauge. This one's still got its twin tanks. Yeah, it's a thoroughly sorted example. Right. Off we go. Turn around. Even with this smaller steering wheel on it, the steering isn't especially heavy at manoeuvring speeds. We have got the original steering wheel though, if that needs to go back on it. The steering wheel is about sort of 10 degrees off to the left in terms of how it's been fitted on the splines. We didn't do it. Where are those horses gone? Left, so we'll go right down here. Just go down here a little bit, let's go far. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating from the motor. It's a very warm day here today and the water temperature sitting bang on halfway. Gearbox has recently been rebuilt, I think in about 2019. It steers nicely. Obviously you do get a lot of road noise from the military tyres, especially as there's no soundproofing on a lightweight at all. And I have got the vent flaps open as well, because it's a nice warm day here today. Absolutely spot on. Obviously being a Series 3, it's got a military, it's got servo brakes. Still drums all round, but they do stop it nicely. Into reverse. Just jumped out of reverse, that's strange. Have it in as well as I should have done. More than anything else, I've never come across that one before on this. As I say, the gearbox is recently rebuilt. Off we go. try reversing quickly. Just to see if I can make it jump out reverse again. I think I suspect I didn't have it properly all the way into gear. Hand off the gear lever. It does jump out of reverse if you reverse really quickly. Obviously the reverse selector fork is very slightly bent, but if you reverse at normal speed it doesn't do it. But yeah, it is very slightly jumping out of reverse just there. Well, not very slightly, I was reversing quicker than you would normally do. So I think there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more information. Right, quick video of starting up and running on this 1979 Series 3 lightweight. Running quite warm at the moment. It's been out for a run in it. Here we have a 2.25 military motor, reconditioned one. Now when it is cold, it's not doing it now because it's warmed up obviously, when it's cold there is a very slight top end rattle, but only when it's cold. As you can hear, it's idling nicely, not rattling now, but it is warm. Very nice willing engine on it actually. So I think there we have it.